Pinatay na ni Kuya, Madi. One more daw, one more pa, one more. Madi, one more. Sabi mo kay Kuya.
First aid tips. What problem are we gonna solve now?
Papa, pick one. Pick one.
The branch, and the bees are all out to sting me.
Bees will attack intruders to protect themselves. Don't screw around with them. If you suffer from a bee sting, remove the bee sting with tweezers first. Remember not to squeeze. Let's make soapy water together. Alkaline soapy water can neutralize the acid poison from the...
Da 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 da. Madi. Madi. Ay, naku, nakakagigil na. Karga na, karga.